these Olympians, and of course, getting a taste of the opposition of what it is and how it is playing against these big-time players.
But the players have grown bigger. And in the meantime, Philippines try to assemble its own reputation.
The last Pilipinas team instead, it's EJ Casanya and Adrian Villados.
Tagibulos with the serve. It's kept in play by last man, Desquitado. Here's the quick down the middle, wide open space. Going to serve. Bullet serve. Desquitado got to it. Quick! Marabunga! Part of the international network of coaching, huh?
Correct.
Oh! Kept in play by Alas. Sent the other way. Boots fires away. Jeski is there. Here comes the set. The left-handed stab. The adjustment in the air by Nishida. No question, this is one of the heartthrobs. Whoa! Bullet serve. Ace. Josh Ibanez. How to receive these very powerful spikes. These serves. So we've got to manage that. Here's the attack. Woods. And Woods is blocked. Osaka with a 2-point lead.
The Blue Theons of Osaka.
Malabunga's serve is in play. Ah, yes, sir. Lopez. World Championship next year.
Correct.
All of us have to wear IDs here because we have to honor the event as well.
Exactly. As a big name player in the NCAA, of course, an MVP and a multiple UAAP or NCAA champion.
Desquitado. That's blocked but kept in play by Yamamoto. Oh, touch last at the end line. Could have gone out.
By 5, biggest lead earlier was at 6 versus Alas Pilipinas.
Ken Tagibilos with a serve. Uh-oh, Yamamoto nearly bungled that. Into the back row, here comes a quick set. Good pipe attack. And nearly kept in play by the Japanese, but well executed. In preparation na for the World Championship. Kasi at the SEA Games
Southeast Asian Games here also in 2025. Wow.
Wow.
But at least better defense.
But better defense.
Alas,
Philippines offering some good digging, but just middle round.
To the podium, yes.
They were so heartbroken.
But finishing the silver medal spot in the VNL.
Yeah. Great action. Philippines keeps it in play. Desquitado sends it air high into this shot by Lopez. Oh! Great opportunity. But he should have gone for it. To the other end. Wow, perfectly done.
That's a clean one.
Here's Jay. We've always known that. That's on target, but in play. They were able to kick it. Airborne. The hook. Philippines keeping it alive. Here comes the pass. Carl Lopez knocking it in.
And that came after the loss in the Challenge Cup in Bahrain.
That was saved. Wow, well done on the quick. That was delivered. Here we go. Ah, neatly done. Zero. Yung speed ng laro nila. Hulog. Yamamoto scampers. Nishida!
That has been the sequence. That is what will not be enough as we're still behind by 7 at this stage.
It's not going to be sufficient. What a set. Jessica. Oh, good save that time. Banya's doing a marvelous job keeping that in play. Nishida denied access. Yan si Josh Ibanez eh. Oh! Blocked! Ihati tayo sa height. Pero ngayon, pwede tayo sumabay sa height eh. In the meantime, nice drop. But one of the mainstays of NU, Lopez hitting the deck. Nishida. Ibanez with a good try of the attack. In the meantime, this serve gently into the Philippine side. The wallop. Lopez is there. Here comes the set. The drop. Desquitado reaches for it. Ibanez tried to get to it, but somebody else went there. Yamamoto makes it a set. And not enough people covering the holes. In the meantime, this serve is in play. Ibanez got to it. Oh, good speed.
Good.
Peng will be serving. Nicely done. Patong na patong.
And that's the value again of a tall setter.
Here's Tomita's serve. Nice combination. Down the middle.
Ooh.
Tied at 2. Oh, Yamamoto is there. Battle at the net. Pipe attack. Woods is denied. Reverse set. Block and hit out. We're watching also. Because this gives us an opportunity to see this world-class team play in our country. And we're trying to get to that level.
Kasi ang kadalasang kalaro natin ay yung mga nasa Southeast Asian region.
Ito na. Si Nishikawa. Hindi niya malakas sinaserve. More for accuracy. Oh boy. Lopez gets to it. Pipes shot. Ibanez down on the floor. That's short on the attack.
Going to a different angle.
Imagine Japan or Osaka playing at a level lower than what they are accustomed to. Oh, but that's a perfect shot from Jay Disquitado.
That's nakita mo, sir, online.
Talaga? Marunong ka rin pala ng online. In the meantime,
add to cart, sir.
Ano? Muntik nang nagkahiyaan. Here's the set. Lopez, block. It's hit out before. It's that they played faster than the rest of the world. In the meantime, that's blocked. Kept in play by Lorenzo. Back row at work. Lopez diving for it. Tomita drops it. Bang with the attempt to keep it in play. That's a double block. It's right there.
Lagi naman, sir.
Na hindi.
Tayo rin may favorite, sir.
Sanay ka ng hindi favorite. Ganda.
Oh, nice.
Hello, Ronnie.
Sana, sir. Kaya lang, alam mo na.
Oo. Nishida. Nice play. Blocked out.
Two straight points.
Alam mo, pagkatapos nito, matindi training nitong Alas. Kita mo nga. Nakikita ni Coach Frigoni, mga kailangan gagawin. Kailangan kurikin. Oh, lakas niyan. Ooh.
Of the block point.
Oo. Peng. Tagibilos. Hello. Ganda ng angulo ng Nishida.
And
ganda Ikishiro. Ooh. Alas against an Alas.
for this team, no doubt.
Whoa, lupit. Ang lupit. Tomita. If Nishiyama is it, let's see. Dito sa first pass. Hindi. Ang lalim. Ang ganda natin mag-umpisa actually.
Yeah.
Si anon setter. Si Nakamura.
Number 3.
Hindi, kaya niyan. Oh! One of Dantel Insunurin's able stars. That's off the block. Recovered. Nonetheless, made into a set. Here's the shot of Disquitado.
Look at the celebration.
Good
nice.
counter.
Line shot. Ordiales, more known.
Comes Jade. Bullet. Regalo. Yes.
Being one of the biggest volleyball players in the country, sabi niya, kailangan ko to para sa Worlds. Pinapanood ko ang mga galaw nila, kahit paano sila mag-warm up, body language nila. Just proves how Kim's skill set is still intact. He's
The
still
proper position for the dig there. But there was a smile. Nicely done. Woods shot. Oh, missed by the Japanese. That was missed by Tomita. Lorenzo dropping to the deck. Here comes the shot. The set. That's blocked, but it's out. It nips the net, but in play. That will score. We're tied at 10. Nishikawa will be serving. What a set. Tomita right there at the back row. Nicely done. And Osaka. Nishikawa. EJ checking the sea. There's a blade connection. Forest bathing na tinatawag. No, they call it that. The Japanese have a term for that. Whoa!
Osaka.
You know, coaches nowadays are trying so hard not to react with service mistakes. Huh? Nice dig up that time by EJ. Wow, good flight by Jade. This checking of the horizon. Kept in play by Osaka. Until we go, we score with Nakamura. Nice set. He got it. Perfectly done. It's more for both teams to get some workouts.
Hisamitsu Springs for the women's team for Japan.
Oh, look at this. Big
Buding,
shot
right?
from Buding. Ganda ng serve.
Ito nagpahirap sa atin na tumapos sa second set.
Good stretch that time by Nakamoto. Oh, yes, sir!
Wow.
What a shot by Nishiyama!
Hero.
Blocked.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nicely done. Tumama's wrist. Nicely done. And out of play. And that'll do it. That'll do it. We're done here.
Look at Coach Prigioni.
There's a challenge, though.
No. I was kidding.
No. No. Just making you have fun. And we're done. So at the end of 3 sets, 25-17, 25-10, 25-21 is the final count for a second straight win by Osaka Luton.
25-17, 25-10, and 25-21. The victory for Osaka Luton.
Domo arigato gozaimashita, and we look forward to seeing you more in the days ahead. But we'll try to wrap up this show in just a short while. That's the final count.